All right, welcome to Success SK Marshall. What do we have for today? Let's get started.
So, we'll be discussing IT jobs, key roles, and responsibilities in this video. All right, so the IT industry is a very wide one, very large one, and very lucrative one all around the world. So, I'm going to be discussing some of the jobs that are available in the IT industry. Okay, this list are not all of it, but the ones I'm showing you are very, very, very important, but they are not limited to this. All right. So the software developer is the one that writes the code. All right. That actually builds the software system using programming languages. All right. Some of the programming languages could be Angular, React, JavaScript. We have C#. And a whole lot of other programming languages like that. Okay, so and there is front end and back end developer. We also have full stack. A full stack developer does both the front end and back end. You may want to browse to know more about front end and back end developers. Right. So we have the IT project managers. So there are project managers. These project managers are the ones that facilitate the project. Or for instance, you are working for a bank, or the IT company is working for a firm. They are trying to create a software for them. So the project manager facilitates, does the project planning, manage the resources, facilitate communication between the vendor and the client and all of that. So they ensure that the project runs smoothly from beginning to the end. All right. So the IT human resource professionals, of course, this in the IT firm too, we also have people that recruit people. So they are in charge of recruiting, just like every other organizations or industry. So we also have the product designer. So the product designer are here. They are the ones that actually create the product. I mean, they come about doing the wireframe, all right, doing the process, the prototype, the workflows of the application. In fact, they do the raw sketch of how the application will look like, all right. They are also involved in UI/UX design of the application before it's being given to developers for actual development, all right. So this is a very lucrative job role in the IT industry. Also, we have the business analyst that engage the clients, they gather requirements, they try to understand what the client wants and try to bring those business jargons into what can be developed, all right, can be into actionable task that can be developed into what into what will meet clients' need, all right. So the business analyst is a very key role in the job in the IT industry. So you want to browse about who is a business analyst and what they do. All right. So the software quality assurance analyst, software quality assurance. I'm going to come back to this. So let me go to computer support specialists. So the computer support specialists are those that help, the staff, all right, the employees of the company in resolving their day-to-day issues. When they are working, where there are computer developed faults, there is an issue, they cannot connect, and 1, 2, 3 things, issues that comes up. All right. So the computer support specialists are there to help, the staff of the company, the employee that are using this these computers to work properly. All right. To resolve that. So the database administrator or developer. So these ones, they are the ones that are in charge of data. All right. They develop databases, and they are vast in SQL scriptings, all right, and other DBMS, database management studios, all right. So the database administrators, they are in charge of that, and it's a very cool profession as well. So the software quality assurance is a very key one in the IT firm. As long as there are softwares that are being developed, software quality assurance will always be, all right, because software that is being developed needs to be tested and to ensure that these things that are being developed are actually meeting the standard that is being required. All right, so that is what it is. So the software quality assurance has the responsibility to ensure that processes are well followed, standards are followed, policies are followed, and ensure that everything that is needed to be done are being done, and not just done, but being done in the right way, and to also ensure that the expectations is what is being produced. All right, the expectations is what is being produced, and the client whatever is being produced is useful for the client. So that's the major duty and role of a software quality assurance person. So do you like this video? So kindly subscribe, like, and share to keep getting latest updates. See you in my next video.